How to add price in TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to add the price on the products that you are trying to add. Now if you're searching how to add price, you might be experiencing the issue where when you're trying to add a product, you won't be able to view the different information over here under sales category where you would usually input the price. Now to be able to solve this, all you need to do is to select the category of your product. This is a very important part, so let me select a random one for now, just for the sake of demonstration. And over here, let's wait for it, and there we go. We now have a category, and now when you scroll down to the bottom, sales information and shipping information is now unlocked, and now you will be able to enter a retail price, quantity, and seller SKU. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.